little bro.
The fact that you're reacting that way shows. No, the fact that you're reacting that way shows you're a victim. Because I barely grabbed your hair. I barely. Imagine if I actually put the slightest amount of force into you.
Stop!
You would crumbled like the small rodent that.
Wrestle.
Come here. No. Stop.
Hey. Oh, calm down, bro.
Yeah. Calm down, bro.
I'll grab both these motherfuckers.
I'll
grab
Oh shit!
Someone definitely stepped on my bad foot in the middle of that, but it's lit.
Oh shit!
Come on, baby boy, get up. I think my ass money just came out.
Holy
That's bad.
shit! Holy
That's
shit!
on me.
Fuck.
Victim.
Hey, we.
Stop!
Holy shit!
Stop!
Come on, let's go do something. Come on. Don't do anything in my ass.
I can't be around you no more.
Go do the 13-year-old boy thing.